Good evening, guys. Today we want to talk about there are certain factors we need to consider when we choose a career. First of all, from my opinion, a good working environment is more important in choosing our career because if we work in an uncomfortable place, do you think you can work in very interesting, give a good performance? Can or not? If you work in uncomfortable place.
I don't think so. I will be able to do that because working in a place where I'm unable to talk to people is will be stressful for me.
Yeah, like that lah. If you want to study, for example, if I will search a good place, comfortable place and suitable place to study. For example, I will search a quiet place for much better to focus in my studies. For example, if you want to study in a hall, you can focus, can't, right?
No.
Because they are very noisy, TV sounds like that also. For if you want to work in a company or a industry, you must choose a good place for you work with focus with the interest for give a good performance, give a outcoming like that. I think so. From my opinion, a good working environment is more important in choosing our career. How about you? Do you agree with my points?
I partially agree with you because I think to me personal interest is important because if we have a job we won't exactly be having fun doing it. That's because most people would aim to go for their dream job, but overall many people will fail to get their dream job and have to be stuck with a dead end job with low salary.
Yeah.
So the job will be boring to most people, and if a job is boring you will be cause stress which is harmful to people because most workers on in office, most people who works in office would most likely to be killing themselves, causing suicide and increasing the death rate on people due to stress. It is also important because of that it is important to socialize with everyone, having a good working environment so that we can reduce stress. Most
Yeah.
people agree that talking to people will reduce stress. What do you guys think?
Yeah, I also. If we didn't talk to other person, we feel stressed. We also didn't focus in our work. If we did not focus in our work, we will face many risks. For example, we will left our hand in a machine. We will make a our it will make a risk lah for all if you are do not get a good environment working.
You have a good point there. This also mainly happen because in a workplace that mainly includes office work, because we have to sit in a PC 24/7 for most of the time where we work there. So I don't think what I'm trying to say is exactly the same for everyone because different people have different opinion on their career choice. Just like you said, Dinesh Alu, working environment is definitely important for people. That is why I partially agree with you.
So, I think I'm totally disagree with your opinion. It's the you know a good salary can make our career become success, and we uh, we are more to work at this career because once a good salary we earn and we will interest to work on this career. Although we can settle our personal loans and for previous studying and with a good salary we also can plan for the future to getting married, buy a car, own a house. Moreover, we can make we can make some personal savings. It can help in the future or any of other emergency time. And we have no need to ask to someone if our salary is good enough. How about you, Mr. Praveen?
I'm not agree with you because good salary won't be enough to increase your lifetime or what. Because I think future prospect is good for choosing a career because I think future prospect can earn a good salary, can get a good environment, and also you can get a perfect uh, perfect personal interest. Okay, so nowadays people cannot get job, so what they cannot get the job for what they study for, so they should increase their personal interest in what they are studying for and what they are working for, and then they increase their personal interest and also they can build up their own career. So I think your future prospect is good. So no need to worry of being stuck in a one position for years,
Uh,
and also a clear idea of where the person is heading to. So encourage people to work harder as you did rewarded, no? So if you are in the manager posting and then you want to go to a CEO position, so you can earn more, what? So you earn more experience and also you can gain more experience by working with the more people and the more experienced people, so that they can help you in any situation.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, but I have to say
Okay.
this. It's not exactly that everyone in this company will be friendly, because everybody will be fighting for a higher position as at the job. What do you
Yeah.
think that as a worker should do to avoid people who are against you, who hates you?
Yeah.
So I think if a worker or a person that he want to be against with you, or they fight for the job you are trying for, I think you stop wasting time on them and then you stop focusing on your job, so you can achieve what you want. So it doesn't mean you get diploma and then you go for a company as a manager or some other lower posting. That doesn't mean that you can increase your. That doesn't mean that's your only job for a lifetime. You can increase them, what?
You have a point there.
Yeah. Okay. Now we have 4 points. How about you? Which point is very good for choosing our career? Choosing in a career. When choosing a career.
I feel like Praveen has a good point. Future prospect is important because we're able to get higher salary, just like Dinesh Waran's point was. And we're also able to change working environment to a more friendlier way, just like Dinesh Naidu said. And it's also my point where you can be able to learn and get used to the job.
Yeah.
How about you, Dineshwaran?
I think personally I feel that money plays the dominant role in our career choice. Money leads to happiness because along with money you obtain power. Today power determines whether you are important or just another expendable in this world, controlled by the powerful. Personal fulfillment is in a job is also important unless salary is dramatically less, in which case self-fulfillment lesson is in importance. If you can have a job for 20,000 a year that makes you unhappy, or a job for 18,000 that you enjoy, then the obvious choice is the one that makes you feel good about yourself, since the salary difference is so small.
Okay.
I think the good salary is the main factor to when we choosing our career lah.
But I agree with Praveen, because nowadays in our situation we facing a pandemic situation. For like example for COVID lah, we can't see we get a good salary or we have a good environment working. We can't see like that. If you get a good working, you must see your future. If now you did not get in future also, you did not get a work also.
Yeah.
So we must see the future prospect first
Yes.
when we choosing a career. How about you? You agree with Praveen?
Yeah.
Because I think Praveen point is very good when we choosing a career.
Yeah, I agree with that. Praveen definitely has a better point than all of us, because it's also mixed together with our own points.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I do.
Alright.
Okay.